So, when does a divorce action really start, and what does that mean for you? My name's Ken Novenstern, Fredman Baken Novenstern, LLP in White Plains right now, and also Mount Kisco, New York. And I have a preliminary conference in Westchester County Supreme Court Friday morning. And it got me thinking about, when does a divorce action really start? Is it the procedural beginning of the action where the summons and complaint are prepared and filed with the court? So technically, that's the beginning of the divorce action. And you make known what you're looking for, the ground for divorce, typically irretrievable breakdown of the marriage for a period of 6 months or more, and basic information, date of marriage, where it took place, dates and ages of children. So that's the procedural beginning of the action. And there are ramifications of filing those papers and setting a date for definition of marital property and separate property. But in reality, once you have decided that you need the assistance of the court, I think the real beginning of the case is when you file a preliminary conference, a request for judicial intervention, which results in a preliminary conference. And so Friday morning, I have a preliminary conference in a case. And the preliminary conference essentially involves identifying the basic facts, which are in the complaint, and also going through and helping the court to understand what the issues are in the case, what has been resolved, what hasn't been resolved, whether there are children, whether the judge is going to need to appoint an attorney for the children to represent the children's interests because the parents cannot agree, at least at this point, on the type of custody or the way access will be handled. And then the financial issues. What's going on at this time concerning payment of bills? Are there any immediate financial issues that need to be addressed? Whether child support, spousal support are going to be issues, and issues around division of assets. So while I believe that the true technical procedural commencement of the action is with the filing of the summons and complaint, the preliminary conference is really when you meet the judge and when the case really starts in terms of litigating the issues. If you have questions, please contact me. Ken Novenstern, K. Novenstern at FBN Divorce Law, 914-997-9070. Take care.